Hey there, nature lovers! Welcome back to another episode of Wild Wonders, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of wildlife. Today, we're going to talk about a creature that scuttles along our shores and captures our curiosity with its quirky antics, the crab. Crabs are one of the most diverse and intriguing creatures you'll find in coastal regions around the world. From their unique body structures to their fascinating behaviors, there's so much to learn about these crustaceans. So, let's crack open the crappy code and discover what makes them so special. First things first, what exactly is a crab? Well, crabs are decapod crustaceans, which means they have 10 legs and a hard exoskeleton. They belong to the order Decapoda, along with lobsters, shrimps, and crayfish. Let's take a closer look at a crab's anatomy. Picture this, a round body covered by a hard shell, known as the carapace. This shell not only provides protection, but also supports the crab's internal organs. Now, let's talk legs. Crabs have 5 pairs of legs. The front pair, called chelipeds, are often larger and equipped with claws, which they use for defense, feeding, and communication. The other 4 pairs are used for walking and sometimes for swimming. Did you know that there are over 6,800 species of crabs? That's right. These creatures come in all shapes, sizes, and colors. From the tiny pea crab, which measures just a few millimeters, to the colossal Japanese spider crab, with legs that can span over 12 feet, crabs showcase incredible diversity. Let's not forget about the hermit crabs, famous for their habit of using empty shells as portable homes. They're like the nomads of the crab world, constantly on the lookout for better housing options. Crabs are found in a wide range of habitats, including oceans, estuaries, freshwater bodies, and even on land. Some species are adapted to living in burrows along the shoreline, while others dwell in the depths of the ocean. Now, let's talk about some cool adaptations that crabs have developed over millions of years of evolution. Ever noticed how crabs walk sideways? This unique sideways motion is not just for show, it's a clever adaptation that allows them to navigate uneven terrain and escape predators more effectively. Another fascinating adaptation is their ability to regenerate lost limbs. If a crab loses a leg or claw in a fight or accident, it can regrow a new one through a process called autotomy. Talk about resilience. Crabs are omnivorous, which means they eat both plant and animal matter. Their diet includes algae, small fish, mollusks, and even detritus. Some crabs are filter feeders, using specialized mouthparts to sift food particles from the water, while others are scavengers, feasting on whatever edible items they come across. Love is in the air, or rather, in the water, for crabs during mating season. Male crabs often perform elaborate courtship dances to attract females. Once a pair has bonded, the female lays her eggs, which are carried and protected by her, until they hatch into larvae. Crabs have also made their mark in human culture. They're not just a seafood delicacy, but also feature prominently in folklore, art, and literature. In some cultures, crabs symbolize prosperity or good fortune, while in others, they represent adaptability and strength. Like many marine creatures, crabs face threats from habitat loss, pollution, overfishing, and climate change. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect their diverse habitats and ensure the survival of these fascinating creatures for future generations to marvel at. And that, my friends, wraps up our deep dive into the world of crabs. From their quirky behaviors to their incredible adaptations, crabs remind us of the wonders of nature and the importance of conservation. Next time you're strolling along the beach, keep an eye out for these scuttling wonders and appreciate the beauty and complexity of the world they inhabit. Until next time, stay wild and keep exploring.